Hello student, good afternoon to everybody. Today we will do the last question of the lesson number 8. Question number 9. The top view of a school is shown in map 1 and the top view of the classroom are shown in a map 2. Answer the questions from the given map. As you know, you are having your school, okay? So here imagine this is the school map is given and backside of that you are having the classroom map, okay? Because you know na, everything should be when constructions also we do, so we need to make a plan in the constructions of the building, constructions of the hospital or school. In that all places the map is needed. It is very important to design it first. That is why to architecture we give to plan them, okay, where it should come, door where should come, this where should come, everything should be planned, okay? Now on the basis of this two map number 1 and map number 2, you have to answer the following question, okay? So shall we move to the question number 1? Yes. Number 1, which of this is exactly opposite to the blackboard in a map 2? Now here map 2 it is mentioned, so you have to keep just now focus on a map 2 only. Now what is the exactly opposite of the blackboard? Where is the blackboard? Now here options are given. Almirah, so Almirah is here, that it is not opposite. Then windows are here. Then notice board is here, so display board. So exactly opposite of blackboard is what? That is a display board. So this will be your answer. Now which of this is exactly opposite to the door in a map 2? Now again you have to concentrate on a map 2. Opposite of the door will be definitely what? Window. Now check it in the option. There is a window is written, display board, notice board, almirah and window. Yes, window is the option is given. So the answer will be window. Now mark the things in map 1. Now you have to go in a map 1 and you have to mark blackboard, almirah, notice board and display board. But this all things so in this given. In map 2 is given. In map 1 it is not given. Here there is a hall, main gate, playground, office, then this is a garden, assembly ground and classes are given. So what you should do, you should remember this map 2 by heart. You have to learn this symbol is for door. This symbol is for window. You have to remember after the door there is a blackboard. Opposite of blackboard is display board, and beside this door there is a notice board, okay? And here beside this windows there is a almirah. So this all things you have to remember by heart, and then only you can answer this question. Now number 1, blackboard in class 3A, 7 and 8. You have to mention where is the... So see here I have taken this symbol to mention. Now what we will do, with the help of this simple symbol, we will represent blackboard in class 3A, 7 and 8 in a map 1, okay? So for that we need to go to the map 1. Now here there is a map, okay? Now can you see here there is a 3A, there is a 5 class, 5th standard, 2nd, 9th, all classes are given here. Now first of all I'll draw it here map 2. I'll try to do it so that I don't have to turn the page again and again as I have explained you the map 2, okay? Now see here there was a door. This symbol is a door there. So this side there is a blackboard. Opposite of the blackboard there should be a display board. And this side door beside this notice board should be there. And opposite of that window should be there, okay? Now this all points you have to keep it in mind. Now we have to find out of 3A. Now what was the question that we have to find out what? Blackboard of 3rd A, 7th and 8th standard, okay? Now first of all we will go to the 3rd A class. Now imagine that this is, imagine what? So you have to remember only that this is windows are there and this is the door there. As we have done here map 2 we have drawn. This is door there. And there the doors ending this side there is a blackboard. So on this wall there will be a blackboard. So which symbol we have decided? This symbol we have decided to take. So this only I will take. Understood? Now we will go to the 7th standard class. Now here, now this 7th class you will see that this map 2 is little different. Means how it is drawn, this 3rd A there like this way not there. See here there is a door. But this side the door is here. So again you have to recall your map 2. So here was a map 2, okay? Now where is the door? How the doors opens, the top this side there and this. Here it should be a blackboard of this wall. So here there is a 7th A class. So now this is a 7th A class. Now this is door there. See, and this is a window. So definitely the blackboard will come on this side. So I will mark like this. Understood? Now we will go to the 8th standard. Now again in the structure of the 8th standard is different. The door always comes, we have learned this in map 2, like this way door is there. But no, the classes construction is same there. But the directions have changed. In the same class, in the all classes there is the same door, same windows, everything is same. Only the direction have changed. So on the basis of direction you have to decide, like blackboard is here. So you cannot give here. This will be here. Now we will learn this of 8th standard. Now as we know that we have to remember the door. So here there is a door, there is a window. Opposite of the door in window is there. In a map 2 we have learned this thing. Now the doors when this side portion comes this way. So here there is a blackboard. So I will circle this also. Understood? So see all three, here blackboard is there, here blackboard is there, and here blackboard is there. Now see here the door is opening this side. So here this portion we have taken. Like this way also here the doors open and this side we have to take. Understood? Like this you have to understand very carefully map 2. And then only you can answer the following question. Now Almirah you have to tell. Now B option, Almirah in class 4, 2nd and 10. Now I will take this symbol. Why I am taking different symbols, you know, so that you can also understand and recognize it. Okay, this symbol was for blackboard, and now this symbol is for Almirah. Okay, now you have to go to the 4th standard, 2nd standard and 10th standard. Now we will go. First of all, going to that Almirah, you have to see the map 2. Now where is the map to? There should be a door. Opposite of door there is a window, and beside this only there should be a Almirah. This is only the map there. So you have to remember this thing. Understood? Now this map to keep it in your mind, means you fixed it, so that in this classes you are able to answer the question. Now which class you have to solve? So 4th, 2nd and 10. Okay. Now first I will draw here. There is a door. Okay, opposite of the door there should be a window, and here there should be a Almirah. This is map 2 there. So now we will go to the 4th standard first. Yes, this is the 4th standard. Now here there is a door. Opposite of door there should be a window, and beside this only there should be a Almirah. So this symbol I have drawn here. So this is our Almirah in 4th standard. Now we have to go to the 2nd standard. Now where is the door? Here there is a door. Opposite of the door what is there? Windows are there, and beside the windows there is a Almirah. Understood? Yes. Now we will go to the 10th standard. Now here, where is the door? Here there is a door. Opposite of the door what is there? Windows are there, and beside the windows there is a Almirah. So this symbols I have drawn here. It means we got our Almirah in our classes. Understood? Now we will go to the C option. C. Notice board you have to find out in class 3B, 5 and 6th B. Now notice board. So go on a map 2. Where is the notice board? So the door. See, this is the symbol of door. Now the door like this way curve shape comes na. On this side wall there is a notice board. Now remember this thing. So you have to keep the mind two things, door and the curve shape, and then there is a notice board. Now which class you have to go? 3rd B, 5th and 6th B. And which shape I have taken? Notice board. So I have taken diamond shape. Okay. So we will go to the 3rd B first. Where is 3rd B? Here, there. Now where is the door? Now where is the curve shape? Here. So here there will be definitely what? Notice board. Very good children. You are understanding very fast. Now which class we have to go? Next was 5th standard. Now here there is a door. So curved shape is here. So this diamond is there. It means this will be your what? Say, come on. This notice board. Yes. Now we have to go to the 6th B. Now 6th B, there is a door, can you see? And here is a curve shape and this diamond shape you have to draw here, because this is your notice board. So definitely very nicely, fast you are understanding and you are grasping. Very good. You have to mention it like this way. You have to do it. You have to keep this map 2 in your mind so that you can solve it in map 1 also. Now the last option is there. Display board. Now you have to find out the display board. Where is the display board? Now again you will recall. Again you have to map to, you have to learn. There is a door. Now this side of the door there is a blackboard, and opposite of the blackboard is the display board. Remember, again I am repeating, there is a door, here there is a line, beside this there is a blackboard, and opposite of that there is a display board. Now which class you have to draw? So first standard, 6th A and 9th. Now you will take this shape, curve shape, means this way. Okay. Now first 6th A and 9th. You will go to the first standard. Where is the first standard? Yes. Now again we will go to the door. First of all, now this is the door. Here this side. You know curve shape. The what comes? Notice board. So we have to go this side. This is blackboard, and opposite of the blackboard there is a what we want. Come on, tell me what we want. Display board. Yes. Opposite of the blackboard we want display board. So we will do like this way. Shape. First standard over. Now we have to go to the 6th A and 9th. Now where is the 6th A? Here. Now in a 6th A there is a door. This line is there. It means there is a blackboard. And opposite of the blackboard there is a notice display board. So this way draw shape I will draw on it. Yes, very good. Now the last one is which class is there? 9th standard. Go to the 9th standard. Now this is the door. Now here this shape, here there is a blackboard, and opposite to that there is a display board. Now see here, two shapes are mixed up together. But this will come on this 7th standard. But wall is there, na? So this side there is a, which board is given? Display board is given. So do you understand this question very nicely? Yes. Now we will go to question number 4. Write yes or no from map 1. Now in a map 1 you have to say yes or no. Can a child sitting in a 3rd A see the playground? Now child sitting in a 3rd A can see a playground. Playground is here. And windows are here. So no, they cannot see because there is a corridor, na? They cannot see playground. So answer will come no. Now, can a child sitting in a 6th A can see the main gate? Where is the 6th A? Can see the main gate is here. So no, they cannot see because it is in a opposite direction. Okay. Next one. Can a child sitting in class 8 see the hall? 8th standard here. Can see this hall? No, they also cannot see because this classes will come in between. It is the opposite direction. So they cannot see. So answer will come no. Can a child sitting in a 5th class see the assembly ground? Now children sitting in a 5th standard can see the assembly hall. Yes, assembly ground, because there is a windows. They can see easily. So answer will come yes. Can a child sitting in a class 3rd B see the garden? Now 3rd B. They can see the garden. Where is the garden? Here there. This is full of garden. So they can see 3rd B classes. Yes. There is a door also then they can see. Okay. So the answer will come yes. I hope you have understood this chapter very nicely, and please complete this chapter in your workbook only with the help of pencil, and don't forget to fill the index. Okay. Thank you so much.